will share with this remaining of it will share this one. So based on that, the dipole moment here it will be (30°). This will be 30°. So this will be the one dipole moment P1. This is P2. Now what is P1? So this minus Q plus Q will make one dipole moment, and other minus Q and the other pair will make another dipole moment. So I think I'll make it things very easy for you by just changing the set of diagram. These are very popular problems, so you must have some simple common sense. This is what I do is like, so here plus Q and this minus Q will make one pair. I think symbol. Try to see this. This plus Q and minus Q will make one pair. This plus Q minus Q will make one pair. And whatever what is the charge of both, same. And this will be plus L, and the separation is L. So what can be value of P1? P1, P2 is equal to L into Q. So then the net dipole moment is equal to 2P1 cos 30. What is P1 is equal to L into Q, cos 30 root 3 by 2. So this will become QL root 3. Now, if you want, you can replace these three charges by one single equivalent dipole. Means says, what are the types? I want the field strength here at point, which is at a distance y. Tell me like you have, and what is the condition? Y is very much greater than L. Please do understand, I'm trying to give a very generalized idea. Practically, if somebody asks you a question of this kind, find the field strength at point A, where y very much greater than L. So tell me what is the option. First, you are going to find out this due to this 2Q charge, next due to this negative charges. Then you are going to take the vector sum. Since I given a condition y very much greater than L, so what is the best thing alternative? Replace this 3 point charges by one dipole. You can just replace with one equivalent dipole. That's all over. So now this everything what happen, you can replace with a one equivalent dipole. Then I want the field strength at point A. Tell me like what you're going to do. So that the entire discussion what I'm planning is will become like this. No. So shall I replace with a dipole here? Just dipole. We just show symbol like this. This is y. This is A. What is the expression for dipole moment at point A? Sorry, electric field strength given by 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught y cube. What is P? P is QL root 3. Tell me like this approach is easier, or you find out the field strength at point A due to this plus 2Q charge, due to minus Q charges, then take vector sum, then simplify, then you'll end up with this much of answer. The condition is y greater than L, y very much greater than L. So this will be much easier, no? So in this, all 3 point charges are replaced by one dipole. What is this P? All these 3 charges, what field they produce, no? That is what produced by this dipole only. So like this, what happened in the electrostatic system, when I have many positive negative charges, what I do, I'll try to replace them with an equivalent dipole moment, and it will be very easy for me to calculate. Getting similarly, I want the field strength here on the somewhere at this point. This will become like a bisector. Then this will be really troublesome. First, you have to calculate the field due to this positive charge, then due to negative charge, negative charge. Instead, what is the best thing? Draw a bisector, and you know on the bisector, P by 4 pi f naught x cube. I'll bring that another line so that will be there. So I want the field strength here. B, I'll write it. No, anybody? What about the B? at point B at a distance x. So what is the field strength at B? Should be equal to P by 4 pi epsilon naught x. What is P? P is this much. Will you really appreciate your physics teacher? Yes, no. So the one which is so complicated mathematically has got simplified using this approach. In exam, they may trouble you. Provided, what is the condition? X very much greater than L. This point B will become like on a bisector, and A will become like on the axis.